Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on Linux. First, you'll choose and install a robust Android emulator, which acts as a virtual phone on your computer. This crucial step allows your Linux system to run Android applications seamlessly. Then, we will configure the emulator settings for optimal performance, ensuring your gameplay is smooth and responsive. We'll download PUBG Mobile directly within the emulator environment, preparing you to join the battlegrounds quickly. Choosing the correct Android emulator is paramount for a good experience. For Linux users, Anbox and Waydroid are often recommended due to their native integration and efficiency. You will need to ensure your system has sufficient resources, ideally with at least 8 GB of RAM and a quad-core processor. Virtualization technology, typically found in newer CPUs, should be enabled in your system's BIOS or UEFI settings for optimal performance. Once selected, follow the official installation instructions for your chosen emulator, which usually involves a few command line inputs. Once your emulator is installed, fine-tuning its settings is essential for an enjoyable PUBG Mobile experience. Navigate to the emulator settings menu to allocate resources, dedicating perhaps 4 CPU cores and 6 GB of RAM to it. Next, adjust the display resolution. Starting with a 7200 by 1080 setting is often a good balance between clarity and performance. Crucially, set up your keyboard and mouse controls. Most emulators allow you to map on-screen buttons to physical keys, providing a familiar PC gaming feel during intense battles. With your emulator configured, it's time to install PUBG Mobile. Open the Google Play Store application directly inside your emulator environment. Use the search bar to find PUBG Mobile and then click the Install button, just as you would on a physical Android device. The download size is typically around 1.5 GB, so this might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, launch the game, log in using your preferred account, and you are ready to join the global battlegrounds and test your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.